enriched environments enhance brain health and longevity? Remember that groundbreaking study showing that rats who lived in more stimulating, enriched environments were big brain? They were smarter and had more new neurons than rats living in standard cages. Scientist Donald Hebb stumbled upon this discovery in the 1940s when he brought home lab rats for his children to play with and found that these pet rats outperformed their siblings who remained in the lab. Enriched environments are larger and more stimulating, inviting exploration, interaction, and curiosity. This heightened brain activity enhances neurogenesis. More new neurons are formed. And neuroplasticity. More new connections are made between neurons, which is essentially learning. When there's brain cell loss and function decline, like in stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and traumatic brain injury, and even normal aging, environmental enrichment might be a way to stimulate repair and recovery. The NUN study showed how brain stimulation can offset impacts from neural decline. Nuns who were at least 75 years old when the study began in 1986 participated in regular physical exams, cognitive testing, kept journals documenting their activities, and then donated their brains to researchers after death. Some of the donated brains, which showed signs of Alzheimer's, came from nuns who had no dementia symptoms while they were alive. These nuns who had retained more cognitive abilities had evidence of more stimulation, such as exercise and learning through formal education. So what design features contribute to these protective effects? Here are the 4 ingredients needed for enriched environments. Cognitive stimulation. Environments that are new, inviting curiosity and exploration. Social. They afford interaction with others. Physical. They stimulate exercise. And sensory. They have multisensory features. Remember, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Any one of these activations alone don't provide the same benefits as they do when together. Architects Arakawa and Ginz intuitively understood the power of enriched environments, campaigning for architecture against death. They were designing homes as enriched environments to prolong life and evade death even before any human environmental enrichment studies took place. These homes included features like sloped floors to challenge balance and hidden light switches to entice searching. Were their designs a bridge too far, or just the right prescription for aging but ahead of their time? Recent translational studies are now shedding light on this. In one study, nursing home residents with Alzheimer's and dementia were invited to walk every day over 6 months in either a conventional garden with things like flowers and trees and opportunities for gardening, or an enrichment garden designed to support neural activations with activity stations such as playing music and ground painting, or they received no invitation to walk in any garden. The enriched garden group showed better cognitive function, independence, and balance. The conventional garden and no garden residents showed decline on those same tests. Are enriched environments the drug our brains need for optimal health and aging? More research is needed to identify salient design features and proper dosing. The potential to support brain health, especially in cases of neural decline, presents opportunities for scientists, clinicians, and designers to join forces and amplify the benefits of compounding science and design.